everyone, welcome back to my channel, C Panda Crafts. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Wendy and I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls as well as DIYs and paper crafting. So if you're new here, I would really love to have you subscribe. You can do so at any time by clicking on that little play button down in the right hand corner. And also click the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. Today I have a huge Christmas haul to share with you guys. I feel like it's been a couple weeks since I've done a Dollar Tree haul, so I was kind of having some withdrawals. And I'm also not wearing makeup today, so just putting that out there. It's one of those days, and I apologize in advance for the glitter on everything, the gold glitter. I bought these little reindeer and for a craft, and they are just pouring glitter and it's everywhere. It's probably all over my face. But yeah, so first Dollar Tree item I got in this haul are these cute little reindeer. I love their shape and how they're just kind of prancing. So I picked up 2 of those for a craft. I got 2 of these buffalo check placemats, and I plan on using these in a DIY. You guys, I found the cutest little wall clings or window clings. What do you call these? Look at this one. This is adorable. Look at the little fox. Oh, I love him so much. And the buffalo plaid or check or whatever you would like to call this. And look at the little gingerbread people, her little dress, and his little suspenders. They're just living their best little gingerbread life, and I love it. I love this one so much. I like to use these in my journals, or also to decorate like our family calendars and like the kids' bathroom and everything like that on the windows. I think these are so perfect and festive for that. So I got that one. And then I also found this one, and I think this is the best one that they've ever made, honestly. I love this little Nutcracker with the little peppermint cane and the little gingerbread house. I absolutely love this one. Then you have this little snowman. So I adore this one. I found a couple of new cute bags. This one I think would look awesome in a sign, to like just basically cut it out and maybe get an 11 by 14 frame and put this in there. And this says Hot Cocoa and Carolers, North Pole Reindeer Company. Super cute. This would look really, really cute in your kitchen. And the side of the bag is just falling snowflakes. And this one is my favorite. It's this really cute barn, the little well, and the cardinal. And I plan on using this in a DIY. I hope it works out how I have it planned in my head. And then the side of this bag is just red. And I apologize about the lighting. The lighting is not the best right now. The next thing I got was this cute little mailbox, and I plan on using this in a DIY as well. And the little flag even comes up, and then it has like this cute little Santa, letter to Santa on it. I got this 9-pack of little gold jingle bells, and I think these are perfect for if you're making a garland. And they also had bigger ones, and I think there was only 6 in that pack, so I just went ahead and went for the 9-piece. I got this little 12-pack of little Christmas boxes that I plan on using in a DIY, and I believe they also had larger ones available as well, I think in a 4 or a 6-pack. I got 2 of these cute little mini tree toppers, and I'm going to be using these to put on top of my twine trees that I made last year. And so yeah, that's what I plan on using these for. I got this 12-pack of these felt Christmas trees, and these would be perfect in a garland. I think I might do that with this or something else that I have in mind, but I'm not quite sure yet. So I got those. I got this 18-pack of red Velvet Boughs, and they are going to be perfect for crafting little Christmas decor, making wreaths, as well as decorating packages for Christmas. I also found these cute little light up earrings in red, and they also had green available. I'm not sure if they had any other colors, but I think these are going to be so fun and festive to wear when I'm decorating my house and going out looking at Christmas lights. And let's see what they look like when they are lit up. Oh, they flash. So they look like this. So those are really cute. Oh, and you can actually change, I guess, like the frequency of the blinking by just clicking it, or you can keep them on. So that's neat. I really like that. I just chose red, even though green's my favorite color, because I feel like I could wear this with more outfits and Christmas sweaters. I also found this light up LED necklace, and this is also going to look really cute when we're out looking at Christmas lights. These light up, and I think they might do the same thing. Yes, so you click them so you can keep them on. So I thought these were really cute. I love the old school style of the Christmas light bulbs. I actually think I want to do that for the outside of our house this year. My husband's not a huge fan of this style, but I love it. So I think we might be doing that. I'm not sure yet. I still have to convince him. I found these really cute light bulb sequin ornaments, and I found them in the colors red, blue, silver, and gold. I wish they had a green, and I'm not sure if green is available. I'm pretty sure these were out last year as well, and I just didn't get them fast enough. But how cute would these be on a garland? I think that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I went ahead and snagged these guys. I got this 6-pack of little plastic candy canes, and these are going to be perfect for DIYs. I think I'm going to be making like a little gingerbread house with these. I found this 9-foot garland with these like little red berries on them, and I feel like these would be a lot more expensive. Not a lot more expensive, but I think they'd be more than $1 at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But I just love the little berries on here, and there was only one of the red ones left, and it seemed like the other colors, I think there was gold and silver. There were plenty of those, but I think these red ones are going to be the most popular. I got this little white Christmas tree set from Cobblestone Corners. I already hauled the green trees in, I think, my last Dollar Tree haul. And so I needed some white ones to put with my little Christmas village. I got this little LED light up set in clear white for a DIY. I should have gotten 2 of these. I got this cute little gingerbread man set. So I have like the little pot holders that say gingerbread cookie on them. And then the oven mitt and towel have a gingerbread cookie recipe on them, and I thought this was the cutest out of them all. I know they had like the little red truck and the black and red buffalo check, but I just adored these. I think these are perfect for a kitchen, and it's just so fitting and festive. I got this little tinsel sled, and I actually hate tinsel, but I figured I could use the shape and take the tinsel off for a DIY. So that's what I plan on doing with this, and it's pretty big. So I think this is going to, hopefully will look really cool in the DIY I have planned for that. I got a package of this snow blanket, and it has some like little glitter flecks in it, which I don't mind because it doesn't seem like there is a lot, but I needed some of this to put down for my Christmas village. This isn't a Christmas item, but I plan on using it in a Christmas DIY, and that is this wooden block sign that says, "The best things in life aren't things." I love this saying actually, but I'm not a fan of the font. I feel like the last couple that they have come out with had a better font, so that's why I don't mind painting over this for my DIY. The other two, I like them how they are, and so I didn't want to paint over those, so I found this one instead. And the very last Christmas items I picked up were 9 of these large clear ornaments, and I plan on making these ornaments for each of the reindeer. So I want them all to say the names on them, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to decorate the inside. But you guys, it was hilarious. You should have seen me in Dollar Tree. I was sitting there singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, trying to remember all of the reindeer names to make sure I got enough. And I believe there's 9, including Rudolph. So yeah, I picked up 9 of these. And they did have a 2-pack of the clear bulbs, but they were smaller, and I liked this size a lot more because I do want to put their names on it. So that's why I chose to get the larger ones. I'm sorry, that wasn't the last Christmas item. I actually found this really pretty gold tray, and I love the trim on this, and it's very heavy duty. It's nothing like I've seen Dollar Tree put out before with their decorative trays. This is very thick, and you can't bend it at all. It's really good quality, so I picked up that. And the very last thing in this haul is actually these cereals that I picked up in the family size. I always try to pick up cereals at Dollar Tree when they have these deals. And these are the Hershey's Cookies and Cream Fillos. So this is a very heavy box, so these things must be like super filled. They're not the healthiest, but my nephews and my sister are coming down for Thanksgiving, and Auntie wants to spoil her nephews and give them a sugar-filled cereal. So I'm going to be having these stocked for them and my kids, of course, but these don't expire until February of 2020. So if you see these, grab them. Alright guys, so that's it for this Dollar Tree. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And until my next video, I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.